Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, we are going to use acrylic paints. Now there are a lot of videos using acrylic paint and they seem so simple and easy to do. So I decided to try it out for myself. And now over here I just used random colors and I used a toothbrush to spread them and give it a look like a feather has. Now this is literally my first time using, and I just wanted to see how easy it is to use acrylic paints, and it is pretty much easy. Yes, the only difficulty I found was that it doesn't really spread that well. Maybe it can be due to the brush. I mean, if you have a proper paint brush to do that, it would be much smoother, I'm guessing. Or if you apply a bit of water or to liquidify, there are synthetic paint, I'm guessing, which is available just to make the paint flow much easily. But I didn't want to invest a lot of into a lot of things like the paint brushes of specific kinds or other stuff, so I just wanted to try. So over here you see the sunset or the sunrise, whatever you want to call it as. As I said, I tried it just to see how it would look like, and I was pretty happy with the result. So in my future videos, you would see me using more of acrylic paint in a much more systematic manner than this one. This was kind of my trial run. So if you have any views, please do leave your comments below, and I'll see you next time in yet another interesting video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.